Here's my learning log for the second half of the semester math numerical foundations for elementary teachers. Math 2255 42450. My name is Jennifer Gyro. Table of contents. The second half we started at 10:1 and went all the way to 9:2. And then of course that was the first half. I'm going to go ahead and go to page 48 for the second half, starting with 10:1, designing experiments and collecting data, all the definitions. Ten two, displaying data part 1 with the definitions, and then starting the graphs. And here are the foldables for each graph with the definition, the sample data, and then the sample graph. Frequency table. This one is for pictograph. The next one is for a circle graph. Along with the paragraph describing it, giving the definition on this side. The dot plot. Stem and leaf plot. Back-to-back stem and leaf plot. Grouped frequency table. Histogram. And then mathematical connections. Continued mathematical connections. And then on to 10.3, definitions, graphs. This is the line graph. Scatter plots. Description of scatter plots and definitions, trend line, association, positive association, negative association. 10.4, measures of central tendency and variation, the definitions. 10.5, a list of abuses of statistics and listing. Assessments. Assessments continued. Assessment B. Continued. And continue. Oh, and then this is mathematical connections, and then continued on this back page. 2.2, describing sets, definitions, continued definitions, and now try this. Now try this, and then mathematical connections. Mathematical connections continued. And 2, 3 set operations. I did the definitions in a foldable. And then properties of set operations. And now try this. And mathematical connections. Mathematical connections continued. 9.1 how probabilities are determined. Number 1 are the definitions. Number 2, the law of large numbers. And number 3, summary probability properties. 9.2, multi-stage experiments with tree diagrams and geometric probabilities with the definition and an example. And that's page 78, the end of